started my own clinic, the Vitality International Homeo Clinic, at 4th Cross, Keswayangunta, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. I had the privilege to get it inaugurated by IIT Tirupati Director Sir Dr. Satyanarayan and his wife Mrs. K. Girisha Kumari ma'am. In this video, I am going to talk a little bit about myself. So I have done Bachelor's of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, that is BHMS. It is a 5.5 years course and I did it from Delhi. Then I worked as a house physician in the same college in Delhi for about 1 year. Then I did my Doctor of Medicine, that is MD degree in Materia Medica Specialty from Ludhiana. I also worked as Homeopathic Medical Officer for Air Force and Navy people at JVCC Noida and as a Homeopathic consultant at various hospitals and clinics in Noida only. Then I moved to Israel, then to France and then to US. There I continued my online consultations via phone call, video call, Zoom meetings, and in US I opened my home clinic also. I came back to India 5 months back, which I always wanted. People of all age groups, all gender, and of any kind of disease are welcome at my clinic. I will try to help them with the best of the knowledge and experience I have. If you live nearby, visit my clinic. And if you are in India, anywhere in India and anywhere in world, you can book the consultation by sending the message on my WhatsApp number. You can also visit my website, the Vitality homeoclinic.co.in for more details. Please share this video if you feel I can helpful for others also, and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye bye.